Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore theme back to the default one on any Itel phone. Let's begin. So, we only want to go to our theme application that we've used in order to change our theme. As you can see, I've changed previously to the retro newspaper here. And in order to change it, let's go to, for example, our themes here, and let's click 3 lines at the top left corner. Now we go to My Themes, and as you can see at the top we should see Internal Theme. All we need to do is click it, hit Apply, and now our default theme should apply, and as you can see, everything is back to normal. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.